Morning! So today is 5, 6, 7 days na tayong nandito sa ating mansion! So good morning everyone! Ngayon lang talaga ako nakapag-vlog ng umaga kasi sobrang busy ko talaga. Ang dami kong ginagawa, ang dami kong nililinis, there's a lot of things to do. English yarn! So ngayon today is, wala lang. Malapit na kasi akong bumalik kaya gusto ko lang mag-share ng mga thoughts. Ang hungered ko, grabe. So by the way, kape muna tayo. Look at the view. When you're drinking coffee, yan yung view, guys. Imagine nyo yun, ganyan ang view. Higop ko ngayon ng kape, ganito. Lasang bakasyon. So yun na nga. Wala lang, na-share ko lang. Ang sarap magkape talaga pag nakabakasyon ka. Pwede lang habang buhay tayo magbakasyon. Ayan, show ko lang sa inyo yung backyard natin. Dito sa aking mansion. Ito na yung mga pinaghirapan natin na pag sip-sip sa trabaho. So, ayun na. Ito na yung mga bunga ng pagsipsip natin sa trabaho. Meron na tayong bintana. Yan. Dahil yan sa pagsisipsip natin sa trabaho. At syempre, ito, medyo kinapos yung pagsipsip ko. Hindi masyadong ginalingan yung pagsipsip. Kaya wala pa tayong bintana dito. No window pa. So, wala pang budget. So, okay lang yan. So, needed pa natin mag-work. At saka, magpursigi. Para pursigi sa pagsipsip. At ayan. Ang dami pa. There's a lot things to do here in my house. English yarn. Kanada lang ako mag-vlog. Kasi malapit na akong bumalik. Kailangan nating gatasan yung bahay natin. So, ayan. Tadaan! Another window. There's no glass. It's unique. Yan, look at the window. It's look like you will go inside na. Direct. So, ayan. Soon, aayusin natin yan pag we have a lot of budget na. So, we need to save for the glass. Because glass is too much expensive. And look at the backyard. And my dog. Doggy! Laya! So, there's a lot of things to do here in my house. But, it's okay. And also, ayan yung ating pintuan. Ayan. Sir JB! Thank you so much for the door! Thank you! It's very mean a lot. This is your door. So, when you come here in Philippines, just visit here in Ate Melody. Ate Baba. Baba. Ayan. Then, another window that here is very uso naman to sa Bicol. Kasi, dito sa Bicol namin, kailangan mo magtipid. Wala lang talaga tayong fidget. So, ito, at sa bamboo tree, that you can trapal here. Diyan, ganyan. So, ang dami-dami ko pang dapat gawin dito. Ayan. There's a lot of mole? A lot of putik. So, there. I'm so very nangangalay na. But I need to show you guys. So, a lot of things to do here in my house, our house. Because I have a lot of things to do. So, and also here, the front door, front backyard, the balcony, and the window, soon. Ang hirap kasi, ang mahal-mahal kasi ng glass. It's too much expensive, you know guys. But, the important is, we have a rehas, so the monster will not go inside. Diba? Yan, it's okay lang. So, soon, if may budget na tayo, bibili tayo ng glass. Kasi lalagyan natin yan ng glass. Kasi important na merong glass. For the meantime, okay na yan. I'm so very grateful because I also have a window. Even only on the front of our house. And the back side is no. But it's okay. Look at the view, guys. The view. You know, this is very loading. And another window again. So I choose to build a house here in province because it's very mean for me. Because when I go old, I want to be settled. Not, I'm not dreaming to be a rich, very rich, but God will that I become rich. Why not? But I'm so very contented now what I have now. But I'm so very grateful because I have a house. Even that it's not already finished, fully finished, but it's okay. But we can already move here, and also we can live here. Even I'm working on the far away. Go far away. It's okay. Kasi there's a lot of things to do na. When you have a family na, kailangan mo talaga ng sariling bahay. So, it's almost 3 years, 4 years, I think almost 4 years or 3 years, I don't remember na, that we started to build our house, even a little by little, because, there's a lot of things to priority, not the house. But I'm so very grateful, there's a lot of people to help me, there's a lot of, I am so very grateful, because this is not just for my effort. There's a lot of people effort to do our house. Ba't ako nag-English? I need to English because I uploaded this on YouTube. Kailangan nating bawiin. Bawiin ng gastos. There's a lot of people to help me, and also the people who credit me. Credit. I will promise that I will pay you soon, guys. But from now on, I need to save because I have a lot of things to do on our house. I will finish before the window because we need to safety, okay? Tapos ka na mag-eat. O dali na, inom na water, magligo na, mag-school ka na. Hi ka muna. Hi guys. Elena is going to school. Okay. Remove mo na yung tali mo. So, there's a lot of things to do here on my house pa. But, I'm so very happy. Paning happy. Ayan, I'm so very happy. And also, look at the CR. The CR is not yet done. Not yet done. Yeah, look at the CR because there's no tiles pa naman. It's okay lang because we can ligo-ligo na there. So, importante, we have a bowl. Bowl? Ano ba yung bowl? Basta iniduro. Diyos ko, napahirapan pa ako. So, there's no roof. Okay lang yan. It's part of the journey. Yeah. We don't get roof on our CR, so when the rainy is coming, we'll go away. So soon, if I have enough money na, I will need to finish this roof because when you getting poop and the rain is coming, it will finish easy. Matapos na agad yung pagpupo mo kasi talaga kailangan mo na tapusin kasi mabasa ka na talaga ng ulan. Don't bother my face because my face is natural. It's organic. Ayan. Oh, may dumi pa. May panty pa. And say hi to my chicken. Hi, chicken. So, ayan. I'm so very happy lang talaga. I'm very, very happy. And the other door, yan. Thank you so much. Ate Amanda, so very, very thankful talaga to all the help. My brother, Sir JB, Ate Amanda, darling! Dami kong utang. Ayan, sa lahat ng tumulong, especially to my papa, my brother, kuya, uncle, tito. There's a lot of people help to build this house. Even I don't have a lot of, I don't have a lot of money to give them salary, but because my salary is too small lang din naman. So, I'm so very grateful talaga. Thank you so much because it will not happen because of you guys. And also, I'm very grateful. Sige na ate, tanggalin mo na ipit mo kasi nagbablog pa ako dito. So, I'm very, very grateful. Tatapusin ko lang to ate, tas maliligo ka na. Okay. I'm so very grateful because it will not happen when it's not God will. Diba? Ito na yun eh. This is God will, diba? Sabi nga nila, kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. And also, when you trust Lord, talagang He will give everything what you want and what you need. He will not give you the most, but Lord know what you really need And I really need this house. Ah, English! Naiiyak ako. I'm so very overwhelming. Overwhelming! This feeling is very neutral. I'm so very grateful. Alam nyo, kasi I'm always crying. Oh, crying. I'm always thinking, why my salary is not enough? Why my salary is always ubos? You know that? My salary is not getting enough because this is the result. The result why I'm always don't have money. I know building house is not easy, you know, guys. I going to the people that I going to credit. I need to credit even I'm shy. But I need to do that because what will I do to finish my house, our house? So I need to do that. Even I'm really shy. I'm so sorry, guys, if sometimes I going to you to credit money because I don't know where I going. Kasi talagang walang-wala talaga. So very nakakapagod, frustrated. Nakakapagod, nakakalumo. Alam mo yung may muta pa ata ako. Nakakalumo kasi ang dami-dami mong ginagawa tapos ito na pala yun. Kailangan mo palang pagdaanan yung mga sometimes you need to go on the rough road. You need to go. Ligo na ate at dali. Paliguin naman dito. Mundo na. You need to go to the rough road. So, you will, after the rough road, there's a straight line. Straight, ano baga yung English ng kalsada, basta yun. Yun, sobrang, I'm so very happy talaga. And, I'm so very grateful. I'm always thankful to God because this is what I always been praying and also answer prayer na because it's very mean to us. It's hindi lahat afford. Yeah, I know that not all people afford to build a house because it's very hard, guys. It's so very hard. In 3 years, I'm so very frustrated. I'm very stressed. I don't know where I get money because my salary, we need to eat, we need to buy important. So it's a little by little, guys. You know, when the little by little will continue, it will be finished. Look at that. So even it's not a same house on the other people that very beautiful, but I'm so very grateful what we have now. There's a lot of things to do pa, but I'm so very grateful. I'm so very grateful kasi meron ako nito, meron kaming bahay na uwian na sarili namin, you know that. So my video is very long na, so I think I need to finish na the house. So this is the window, the next project. Yeah. So that's all, guys, and look at the view. When you wake up in the morning, you will see that view. Lahat ng nakikita nyo dyan na lupa at natatanaw nyo, hindi akin yan. Nakikitayo lang tayo. Ayan, thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you like it and you happy because I'm happy. Ayan, soon when I'm retired, I build a lot of memories here in the house and also a lot of video. That's my dream. So if I already retired na on my work, there's a lot of things to do na. I want to stay here in Bicol and province because I have a lot of dream. I had a lot of plan to build a video vlog because I want to be a vlogger. Because a lot of vlogger will getting rich. Yeah. That's my dream. Ayan, thank you, guys. Thank you. And I hope I can make a video pa. So, if I'm not busy, because it's almost 5 days, I think 5 days, I will going back to work na. So, thank you so much. Please like and share. Bye-bye.